Timor-Leste arrives at YCO 2026 with flavors inspired by island traditions, coastal abundance, and a culinary heritage rooted in simplicity and soul. Represented by the East Timor Development Agency, ETDA, participant chef Melquirudi Leki-Bere da Cunha.
I'm from Timor-Leste. I'm so proud and grateful to be selected for the Young Chef Olympiad 2026. This opportunity means a lot to me, not only as a personal achievement, but also as a chance to represent my institution ETDA and my country, Timor-Leste.
Under the mentorship of Chef Marcelino Ornai Freitas,
it is an honor to be a part of the world's largest culinary student competition, the IIHM Young Chef Olympiad. As a mentor, I'm proud to witness young chefs stepping into the international stage, where excellence in skills, disciplines, cultural diversity, and creativity is celebrated. I sincerely thank IIHM for creating a global platform that inspires, empowers, and elevates the next generation of culinary talents.
Is set to bring authenticity, resilience, and bold character to the global culinary arena. India warmly welcomes Timor-Leste to the 12th IIHM International Young Chef Olympiad.